Quick question. What if the problem with your traffic isn't your funnel, your offer, or even your emails? What if it's the traffic itself? Because this month, and I'm literally just getting started, I've only been with this traffic source for 2 months now. I've already pulled in 6569 using twice confirmed traffic just this month. Now, before you roll your eyes, no, this is not one of those push a button and get rich things. But what I discovered about how this traffic actually works surprised me, and it might explain why so many people struggle to get conversions even when they're trying to do everything else right. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, what the results look like so far, and whether this is actually worth your time or just more noise. Let's get into it. So first of all, if you don't know what twice confirmed traffic is basically a system where you basically just put uh, a link in, and you can get traffic to your link. One of the things I will say about it is it's a set and forget, basically. Set and forget system. So basically you put the link in and the traffic comes, and how they get this traffic is basically from solo ad providers and things like that. So they go and buy traffic, and if the traffic converts on their stuff, then they go and send it through to become repeat buyers on your stuff. So it does work, but there is a way to use the system, and I've figured out a way. Now, last month my results weren't spectacular, but they did work. I still did get results. This month I went and figured a way out to actually get better earnings and stuff from this. Now, again, it is a set and forget system. I'm still trying it out. I decided that I'm going to stick with it for another 2 months at least and see how it goes. But let me go through everything. So first of all, I've got a little sheet here, and I'm going to show you guys how to use the system in a couple of minutes here. All right, so my earnings so far for February have been not too bad. I am in profit as of now, simply just from setting and forgetting. So far this month, I'm only a normal MegaLink user for now on OLSP. So that's why I've started this column here. And then I also did if I was a team builder in OLSP, what my total earnings would look like. But for now, let's go through this quick. So on OLSP, I made $23.40, and I will show these earnings in a couple seconds. But on OLSP, I earned $23.40 with this traffic source. I did earn a ClickBank sale from this traffic source as well, which was $26.31, and then I earned $5.98 from Gumroad, which, if you don't know what Gumroad is, now some of these things I'm going to have down in my description if you are interested in taking a look at any of these things like OLSP. I have a book that I made that has the 10 affiliate marketing mistakes that beginners make. And that's what this is. Gumroad is basically a place where you can sell your own ebooks, or there's many different things on there that you can sell. So I basically put my own book on there, and I made 2 sales from that. And then we have TCT recurring commissions. So I do get recurring commissions every month from one person that I've referred so far to the system, so that's an extra $10. So my total this month, from being just a normal MegaLink user, which that is hopefully going to change in a month, I'm going to be a team builder probably as of next month, but my total earnings so far have been $65.69, which it costs I believe $59.99 for a monthly membership of twice confirmed traffic. So I am in the green so far. The total earnings as a team builder, I would have had $48.48 from OLSP, and then I would have had $26.31 still from ClickBank. The rest of the numbers didn't really change. The only thing that changes is down here, which is the total earnings total, which is $90.77. So if I had been a team builder this month, I would have actually earned 48.48 from OLSP, which would have been nice. Um, so that's basically what the uh, I'm trying to think here how they word it. The 200% front end price of OLSP, that would have been increased to $14 instead of 7, and then I would have had $6.48, sorry, from another thing that I sold within OLSP, and that's how I would have had 48.48. So let's go into OLSP first. I was kind of just looking up. I wanted to make sure I had the information right, and this is the one I sold right here from TCT. Now, if I go to my links, I can go into tracking, I believe, and then we'll go down to A5, this one. So if we go and look at A5 TCT, I had, it says 6 conversions, but I had 3 conversions of this one this month. So that's $21, and I think I had 3 last month for TCT. And then if we go down, I believe it's P2. I'm just going to find it. Sorry, guys. So the P2 is the Authority Builder System. And I just gotta look here. Authority Builder. Authority Builder System, so there we go. But if I go and look at the P2, you'll see that there's one sale from TCT, and that's $240. So that gave me a total of $23.40 this month. And then if I go to ClickBank really quick here, you'll see that I did get the sale right there on February 10th, or the week of February 10th. And if I go to transactions really quick, we will see that, yes, I did get that sale from TCT, which is right here. That's my TID, or my tracking ID, and that's the TCT. So twice confirmed traffic. And then Gumroad, I'm going to have to just get into my Gumroad. Just give me one quick second. So I basically just had to blur out because they show me the email of the person that joined, or that signed up to get my book. Unfortunately, it showed the email, so I had to kind of blur that out. But you'll see that I got $2.99 here and $2.99 here, and that was on February 10th and February 16th from TCT. So that's those earnings, and then the recurring commission was on twice confirmed. Just give me one second and I'll get over there to that one. So as we can see, this is the recurring commissions from twice confirmed traffic, and as you see, this is February 15th, 2026, and it was a recurring commission of $10 for the referral. So overall, this system has been great so far. So what I've been doing different, guys, with this system is I've basically been, I figured out how to get more sales. And one of the things is the compensation plan. Now, if we go and look at the compensation plan, I believe it's on this screen. No? Yes. So on this screen, they show you kind of what you get in recurring commissions. But there's also, if we go here, I think it's this one. Okay, so here they show that compensation, like the $10, $8, $6, $4, $2, but then they also show you that you get more traffic. So because I got 1 referral so far, I get 25% extra traffic, and all the way up to 8 referrals. So if you get 8 referrals, you get 200% extra traffic. And that counts for even if your affiliates go and get affiliates under them or whatever. So this is much like My Lead Gen Secret. Actually, believe it or not, this is the sister site to My Lead Gen Secret, and they have put an even better site together, which is this one, which it has been pretty good so far. Like I said, I'm going to try it out for 2 more months and figure out really, is this something that I want to add to my to what I'm already doing. I'm going to do a bit of a deeper dive, and I'm going to really try and get some referrals in the next couple of months as well to see how much more traffic you actually get. So far, I think a day I'm getting about 200-ish clicks a day, thereabouts. So that's pretty good so far. Now, this is unlimited. I meant to mention this earlier in the video, but this is unlimited traffic. So you get unlimited. If when you go through to put your links in, you can have unlimited links. So you can add as many links as you want. Now, it's funny because they told me in a support ticket that you don't want to add too many links. However, I found that adding multiple links of the same link actually helps for some reason. I don't know why it is that way, but I will show you that in a minute. But to get something similar to this system, it would cost about $150 in a different, like I've seen. Now, don't ask me questions about this company because I don't use them for traffic. But there is a company called Traffic Authority, I think, and they have a similar thing where you just put a link and then they send traffic to it. However, it's limited. So you pay $150 a month, you get 100 clicks. I think that's like the base package. So you get 100 clicks for $150, and those 100 clicks, that's it. Once they're done, that's all you get that month. You can't have multiple links, and you can't do anything like that. So that's why this system is actually pretty cool, because you get $60, or you pay $60 for a monthly membership, and you get unlimited traffic, unlimited links, which is pretty cool. So I'm getting about 200 right now, about 200 clicks a day, which is about 400. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that, but 200 clicks a day times, let's say it's a 30-day month, which it isn't this month, but that's 6,000 clicks a month right now. Now, of course, that's going to go up as time goes on. Like, as I get more referrals, you'll get more and more traffic to your links. So let's go into what I've been doing for a strategy. If we go into Traffic Shifter, which is where you're going to add your links, which you go down here and you add a new link, you'll go and put your link in, and then that's it. So you'll see that I've got a few different things in here. This one I'm still testing out. It's a high ticket product, but I'm still kind of testing it out to see if the high ticket products work with twice confirmed traffic. I'm still working on that, but if we go and look at this is the ClickBank one that I got sale with, and I've added this link multiple times, and this is where, I've kind of tried to game the system a bit. Like, I added a couple of multiple links of that. Probably should add a couple more links of this because that one has brought sales. And then, of course, here's my main OLSP link, which has made the sales, the $7 sales, and there you go, see A5. So these are my links for the OLSP, and you'll see that I've added this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And then for the ClickBank one, I've added it 3 times, and then there's my Gumroad link for my book. And again, if you're interested in getting that book, it's called 10 Affiliate Marketing Mistakes That Beginners Make. I wrote it to basically help everyone out and learn what not to do in affiliate marketing. That link is down in the description, along with the other things that I also highly recommend that you check out. So that's what I'm doing to make this system work. You can do it however you want, but I find so far that this has gotten me the best results so far. Not adding multiple links in the sense that you're adding one link of OLSP, one link of whatever, one link of ClickBank, one link of Gumroad. You can do that, but I find it's better to add the multiple links, because then that offer is getting seen, and if that's one of your best offers, it's making sales on twice confirmed traffic. Here's my theory. then, the more links you add for that offer, the more you're going to make sales in that offer. That's my complete way of thinking. So I hope you guys enjoyed my update for Twice Confirmed Traffic. It has been an amazing system, and so far I am loving it. One thing I'm going to point out just quick before I shut the video off is the confirmation bay stats. You can always come and take a look here to see what's doing well. For instance, they got OLSP, it's in the top right now, and then you got Affiliate Mentor, Live Good, Save Club, Lead Sleep, AI Viral Down Builder, their downline builder, sorry, System IO, Legacy Builder, Momentum Tech, and Easy Commission Funnel. I've seen kind of bouncing back and forth between in the green and in the red. So there's that, and then you got your ClickBank offers, which this, where is it here? Billionaire Brainwave's the one that I have. It's down by 4% right now, but of course these go up as people get sales with them. So people have been getting sales with Right App reviews today. Presentar, Eat Stop Eat, Miracle Money Magnets, paying social media jobs, 123 Profit, and Super Affiliate System. So those are some of the things you can make sales with on ClickBank on here. So it is an interesting system. I love it. I keep an eye on this confirmation bay pretty much every day to make sure that, I've got stuff on there that's working well and things like that. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. And again, if you want to check out the things that I highly recommend, you can do so down in the description. You guys have a great day and cheers.